What is up, everyone? How's everybody doing? We'll be installing an extension for the spoiler for this Civic Type R. Right on. So it's very basic. 4 holders, and then this is I don't know what kind of material this is. It might be, I don't know, some kind of a plastic material that's flexible, and it's very expensive. By any means, it's not cheap. So put all this little attachment on the top, just sitting just like that. Don't leave them too hard yet. And then it has a double-sided tape on the corner. So what we're gonna do now is clean this up, the spoiler, and mock it up, so-called center line. And we'll just see how it goes, and then we're gonna drill a hole on the spoiler itself. All right, first off is clean up the spoiler. That way the tape will stick onto it. Just put temporary tape all over it, and then this is where I'm gonna be drilling it. Measure the corner from where it's sitting down and where it's gonna be screwed on and glued on. So that's how this looks like. And then just measure this corner right over here, and then the other side, make sure they're both the same. The 5 and 32nd drill for this Allen bolt. So 5 32nd is the drill bit that you're going to be using. So I drilled 4 of these, and then it's time to put it on. All right, so we are done. Only took about 30 minutes to put it on.